Day 12, English Vocabulary Practice, words 1101 through 1200. Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Today, we will learn 100 more useful English words.
These are words 1101 through 1200.
I will say the English word.
Then I will read one simple example sentence.
Word 1101.
Let's start learning.
Accountant. The accountant prepared the report. Architect. The architect designed a new house. Electrician. The electrician fixed the lights. Plumber. The plumber repaired the pipe. Carpenter. The carpenter built a table. Electrician's tools. The electrician's tools are in the truck. Construction. Construction started last month. Building. The building has 10 floors. Elevator button. Press the elevator button. Staircase. We walked up the staircase. Passport control. We waited at passport control. Customs. Customs checked our bags. Baggage claim. Meet me at baggage claim. Boarding time. Boarding time is 3:30 p.m. Delay. Our flight had a delay. Cancel. They canceled the flight. Luggage tag. Put your name on the luggage tag. Travel insurance. Travel insurance gives peace of mind. Sightseeing. We enjoyed sightseeing all day. Landmark. The bridge is a famous landmark. Bakery. We bought bread at the bakery. Butcher. The butcher sells fresh meat. Florist. The florist arranged beautiful flowers. Bookstore. I found the book at the bookstore. Hardware store. We bought a hammer at the hardware store. Shopping mall. The shopping mall is crowded today. Fitting room. The fitting room is available. Cashier counter. Please pay at the cashier counter. Shopping bag. I forgot my shopping bag. Checkout. The checkout line is moving quickly. Bakery bread. The bakery bread smells wonderful. Seafood. We had seafood for dinner. Grilled. I ordered grilled chicken. Fried. The fried rice is delicious. Boiled. She likes boiled eggs. Baked. We ate baked potatoes. Spicy sauce. The spicy sauce is very hot. Menu. Please look at the menu. Waiter station. The waiter returned to the waiter station. Reservation list. Our name is on the reservation list. Symptom. Tell the doctor about your symptoms. Allergy. He has a peanut allergy. Treatment. The treatment worked well. Operation. The operation was successful. Bandage. The nurse changed the bandage. Wheelchair. The patient used a wheelchair. Crutches. He walked with crutches. Pharmacy counter. Please wait at the pharmacy counter. Vitamin. I take a vitamin every morning. Appointment reminder. I received an appointment reminder. Conference. The conference begins tomorrow. Presentation. She gave a great presentation. Office worker. The office worker answered the phone. Coworker. My coworker helped me today. Supervisor. The supervisor approved my request. Department. She works in the sales department. Training. New employees receive training. Experience. Experience helps you improve. Responsibility. This task is my responsibility. Schedule change. There was a schedule change. Credit. My credit is excellent. Debit card. I paid with my debit card. Transaction. The bank processed the transaction. Transfer. I made a bank transfer. Interest rate. The interest rate is low. Loan. They applied for a loan. Monthly payment. The monthly payment is affordable. Receipt number. Keep the receipt number. Financial goal. Saving money is my financial goal. Emergency fund. Everyone should have an emergency fund. Smartphone. My smartphone has a great camera. Tablet. She reads books on her tablet. Smartwatch. My smartwatch tracks my steps. Application. Download the application today. Software. The software is easy to use. Update notification. I received an update notification. Password manager. A password manager keeps passwords safe. Cloud storage. My photos are in cloud storage. Online meeting. We had an online meeting. Video conference. The video conference lasted 1 hour. Museum guide. The museum guide explained the history. Art gallery. We visited an art gallery. Exhibition. The exhibition opens today. History museum. The history museum is interesting. Science center. The children enjoyed the science center. National park. We hiked in a national park. Hiking trail. The hiking trail is beautiful. Picnic area. Let's eat in the picnic area. Viewpoint. The viewpoint overlooks the valley. Camping chair. Bring your camping chair. Sunrise hike. We started a sunrise hike early. Wildlife. We saw wildlife in the forest. Waterfall trail. The waterfall trail is easy. River crossing. The river crossing was safe. Adventure trip. It was an exciting adventure trip. Lifelong goal. Speaking English is my lifelong goal. Self-confidence. Practice builds self-confidence. Positive thinking. Positive thinking helps every day. Lifelong habit. Reading is a lifelong habit. Personal growth. Learning English supports personal growth. Excellent job!
Today you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 13.
Goodbye and happy learning!